So in this tutorial, I just want to show you how to do a very simple project with this Dragonfly Toys fleece. So this is yarning fleece that we have for wet felting. When we choose our colors, we want to really make sure that we stretch it out and we have it very even. So this has come straight off a sheep and it's been carded with a brush so that it all goes in one direction. So you want to keep that direction. So if we want to separate it, we just gently pull. And now I want to make sure this goes, if that's that way underneath, this one's got to go that way. So we're crisscrossing. We're going up and over. Adding a little bit of hand soap, a little bit of water. And then it's just a very simple process of working it all in. And this takes about 20 minutes. Here's another way you can just take a little bit of the water out if you've put too much water in. Just dry it out on some paper towel. Now there'll become a point where you start to feel like it's really getting bound. So you could even transfer it to your hands at that point to get that shape. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed just learning how you can do these very simple felting activities with children.